Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung 16GB DDR5 4800MHz SODIMM, specifically the M425R2GA3BBROCQK model. If you're looking to boost the performance of your laptop, notebook, mini PC, or even an all-in-one system, this RAM module might be exactly what you need. This is a single 16GB module built with DDR5 technology in the SODIMM 262-pin format. It's designed to run at speeds up to 4,800 MHz, which translates to PC5-38400, also known as PC5-4800B. This speed increase over older DDR4 RAM can make a noticeable difference in how quickly your system responds, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications. The module is NONECC unbuffered, and it features a 1RX8 single-rank configuration. This is important because it affects how the memory controller accesses the data. Single-rank memory can sometimes offer slightly better latency compared to dual-rank, which can translate to snappier performance in certain tasks. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard and operates at a voltage of 1.1 V. This lower voltage is one of the benefits of DDR5, as it can lead to improved power efficiency and potentially longer battery life in laptops. Before purchasing, it's crucial to check your system's manual to ensure compatibility. This Samsung DDR5 SODIMM is designed for select laptops, notebooks, mini PCs, and all-in-one systems that support DDR5 memory. It is not compatible with desktop PCs. Upgrading your system's RAM is one of the most effective ways to improve overall performance. More RAM means your computer can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. It reduces bottlenecks and increases your system's workload capacity, allowing you to run more applications, work with larger files, and experience smoother multitasking. If your laptop is feeling sluggish, especially with memory-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming, upgrading to 16 GB of DDR5 RAM can provide a significant boost.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.